Dharwad MLA Vinay Kulkarni has been officially disqualified from his position as a member of the Legislative Assembly following the court's verdict declaring him guilty in the Yogesh Gowda murder case. The Karnataka Legislative Assembly Secretary Vishalakshi has issued the official order regarding his disqualification. This action was taken after the court convicted Vinay Kulkarni on April 15th in connection with the Yogesh Gowda murder case. According to the order, his assembly membership has been cancelled from the very date the court delivered the guilty verdict. The decision has been implemented under Article 191, Subclause 1, Subclause E of the Constitution of India and Section 8 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. Under these legal provisions, any elected representative convicted in a criminal case loses their membership and becomes disqualified from holding office. The order also states that unless the concerned court stays the conviction, Vinay Kulkarni's disqualification will remain in force. Even after completing his sentence and being released, he will continue to remain disqualified for an additional 6 years. This development has created major political discussion across Karnataka, especially in Dharwad constituency, where political activities are expected to intensify in the coming days. So viewers, will this disqualification bring major political changes in the Dharwad constituency? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.